Okay, so the topic for today is the system of linear equations in two variables. So here we have two equations, the red one and the purple one. The equation for the red line is y equals to minus 6 by 5 x plus 4. So what I have to do is I have to actually rotate this line through these points and actually graph this equation. Okay. And similarly, I have to do this purple line graphing also by rotating through these points according to the equation given on the right hand corner. So if I take the red line, so it is y equals to minus 6 by 5 x plus 4. So let me try and not make a solution box over here. Let me try and do it mentally. The very first two common things that can be done are the coordinates 0 for each x and y. So if I take x as 0 in the first scenario, what is the value of y in that case? Can you tell me? Okay, so if x is 0, y is 4, that means this line will pass through 0, 4, isn't it? Right? Now try and mentally just put y as 0. If you put y as 0, what do you get x as? Correct. Okay, so I cancel off the negatives on both the sides. So I get 6x equals to 20, right? If 6x is equals to 20, what is x equals to approximately? Okay, so I'm just taking this line somewhere here, and if I'm not sure of this 3.33 point here, right? So if I'm not sure about this, so let me take some other point which I'll be comfortable with, right? So let me just take another third point which will actually justify my line. So let me take x as, you tell me, what should I take x so that I get rid of this denominator and y comes out to be a, a natural number or a whole number. Exactly. So if you take x as 5, what is the answer for y? Minus 2. So if x is 5, y is minus 2. It's here. Here. Do you see this? Right? And do you see now this line has automatically gone through 3.33, which I haven't plotted, but it is actually going through my third point, which I have done in my head. Right? Now let us quickly do it for the blue one. Fine? Okay, so the blue one, again tell me. Okay, if I take x as 5, so what is y? Okay, y is 0. So 5, 0. Done. Then tell me one more point. Correct. So if I do this, y equals to 8. Right. Now this is the line. Right. Now I will try to take out this point of intersection which will tell me the solution. Isn't it? So tell me, what is this point of intersection? (10, minus 8). Okay, so let me put x as 10 over here and y as minus 8 over here. Okay, and correct. Do you see?